All right, are you getting old man vibes from me or is it a look? I just want to know. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are way too close to the microphone. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Since we're in the season of back to school, I decided to do this video that was very much relatable to myself. I would always be late for first period. I was always in the situation that I'm about to be in right now, and I'm very nervous about it. I have done so many like running late makeup tutorials, 5-minute makeup tutorials, but I've never done a makeup tutorial where I'm actually like timing myself, and I've seen these. They give me so much anxiety. So oof, I have anxiety right now just talking about what we're about to get into. So I am testing my skills today, so you can see if you trust what I say or not after this video. I am going to be timing myself. So I have my little timer up right here that says 5 minutes, and I'm gonna start it once I start my makeup. But I have never done this. I am so nervous, and I hope that I get everything in place in time and ready to go. I'm showing you my quick skincare routine in the morning when I'm running late, as well as my makeup, a realistic timed 5-minute makeup. So if you want to see me get into having a panic attack, aka doing my makeup in under 5 minutes while a timer is going, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you can be a part of the quad family. And without further ado, we're gonna get into this crazy video. No matter what situation you're in, you definitely have to brush your teeth before you start the day. After I brush my teeth, I have to wash my face. I can't go about the day with dirty skin, so I'm going to show you my quick skincare routine. So to thoroughly clean my skin and remove all the dirt before I start my makeup, I quickly use this. It's like a quick one and done kind of a thing. If you're on the go, you don't need to go through too many steps. My Ride or Die, this is the Ultimate Skin Spa Facial Cleansing System from Vanity Planet, and it has 3 different interchangeable heads. The black one that you see is more of an exfoliator. I only do that once a week. The silicone one at the end is more for sensitive skin, and this brush head right here is so baby soft, and I use this every day. And what I do is just take a cleanser, I pop it in the center, wet it a little bit, and then I start to work it into my face. And this is going to remove everything, like hard to reach dirt in your face, makeup, everything. It's gonna completely cleanse your skin, and it's done so much good for my skin. It's definitely improved. Ever since I started using this, like I stopped using it for a while and I started using it again, and I definitely see the difference. It truly removes every strip of makeup from your face, and it just glides over so softly and smoothly. I've been using this since 2000, a long time ago, and it is truly amazing. When I stop using it, I definitely see the difference. I also want to give a special thanks to Vanity Planet for partnering up with me in this video on this product, because I love it so much. If you guys want more info on it, I will have all the info you need in the description box below. All right, let me get my hair out of my face because I feel like it's gonna get messy. On your mark, get set, go. Okay, oh my God, here we go. First thing I'm gonna do is my brows because they take me forever. And so I'm just gonna put them on really quick. And I don't know why lately, if I use this brow powder, it is quicker for me than doing a pencil. I don't know why. I just become very accustomed to using this super fast. And then just brush them through. Nothing crazy, nothing fancy. Nothing fancy, and then I take 5 years. Okay, some brow hairs on there in the front. All right, my brows look still a little crazy. I can promise you my brows will take me like 10 minutes. So that was a real challenge. All right, so now we're gonna put on some primer just because we don't want our face to fly off. This is the J1 Jelly Pack, so it definitely will not fly off. So I have my Milk Makeup Liquid Blur foundation that is way too orange for me, but that's okay because we have to make it work. We have concealer still, so. And I want to put on foundation in under 5 minutes. I want to put foundation on because I have a lot of blemishes, you guys, and just to be realistic, I would definitely slap on foundation if I was going to school and I had like redness and blemishes all over my face. It's something that I would immediately do. And blend it down to your neck, your ears, and take the dry side, blend everything out. Okay. We are blended. Okay, we're good. And now I'm gonna put on some concealer because concealer is life. I honestly do not want to look like a vampire who never woke up. So I'm gonna focus that right on my inner corners, make sure that is light and bright. And I put on way too much because what I'm gonna do is just smear it everywhere that I need to. So beauty hack, concealer hacks, put on way too much concealer in your inner corners so you can smear it all over the inner part of your face. Bam. Done. All right, so now that we're done with that, I'm gonna set with the Maybelline setting powder. I'm not gonna bake, I'm literally going to set everything in place. Okay, I put way too much on, oh my God. All right, now we're done with that. Set the middle of my forehead, around my mouth. All right, bronzer. Okay, bronzer, I'm gonna take, I have the latte palette, so I'm just gonna take caramel and pop it on my cheeks, just for a soft little bronze. Okay. My heart is racing so fast right now, you guys. Then I'm gonna take caramel and put it on the inner, on the, what is this, crease? Crease, okay, great. We are now taking some mascara. This is the new Climax mascara from NARS. And where are we at? Oh my gosh, 1 minute. 1 minute. This part is very important. Even take it with you in your bag. If you have to. Oh my gosh. All right. Obviously, fix it. Don't make it smear. Then I'm taking this natural looking sheer lip from Tarte. Bam. All right, did we put bronzer on? Highlight. I'm just gonna use a latte palette again. I'm just gonna take creme brulee, pop it on like that. Pop it on the inner corners. Actually, this is macchiato on the nose, like that. Oh my God. Blend everything out, and then if you have time, contour your nose a little bit. Bam, bam, bam. And then put some more bronzer on if you don't have enough. Done. Oh my God. So this is what we got done. That's basically all I wanted to do. I honestly need to blend out a little bit better. I can't believe I did this in 5 minutes. My heart was racing so bad. I'm literally sweating so bad right now. But I mean, I look pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. The only thing I would do, to be honest, is grab my eyelash curler and my mascara, put it in my bag, and go. And probably a blending brush like this, just to go over this part like that. Another tip after you're done with the makeup, if you have 5 minutes for your hair, just literally brush it and straighten it. Straightening your hair makes it look clean, put together, and just like go through your hair and just straighten it really quick. And if you really don't have time, grab a hair tie, pop it up in a bun, and you're ready to go. For clothes, just grab your black leggings, tennis shoes, an oversized t-shirt, maybe tie it at the bottom to give it more of a cute look. Grab your backpack and you're out the door, like you're ready to go. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm honestly so happy that that's over because that was stressful, like super stressful. Never want to go through that again. That was crazy. I love you guys so much, and if you don't want to leave yet, just know that there are 2 videos over there hanging out. If you haven't seen them yet, you can click on them before you leave, and that's pretty much it. I love you so much. Love yourself before anything else. I love you, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys, and don't be late because you're already late.